Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel, where we show you in more detail some of the beautiful china that we're listing currently for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. And these Paragon period 1940s, 1950s on those double appointment china marks. Pattern is Sweet Pea, a lovely deep open bowl Victorian shaped teacup with a high handle with a single thumb rest arch here coming out. And then the Sweet Pea design, beautifully printed in a combination of greens, blues and dusky pinks. Really nice detailing here. Little serration along the rim as well as it just flares outwards, showing you the china marks already. Fine handles with the gilt, as you can see. And the condition of these is really very, very good indeed. Little saucer. Again, beautifully decorated. Let's just bring that into some detail for you to appreciate the intricacy of those patterns with that sort of, I don't know whether it's sort of leopard skin or this sort of coral almost effect in the infill between the outer sort of centimetre of the rims and the pure white bone china on the centre. It's unusual that they've gone to the trouble of putting pattern decoration into the saucer well where the teacup sits. It does make it prone to wear over the years, but these, as you can see, are in very, very good condition with no signs of that. And the gilt around the rims, again, really nicely conserved. Double matching Paragon marks on the saucer. And then the almost flat, if I put it in side elevation, you can see there's not much depth on the side plate at all. Little side or biscuit plate, again beautifully detailed and transfer printed in the Sweet Pea design. So trios, rare to find. They made these in a variety of different cup shapes as well, and these are the probably most desirable and most collectible. The Victorian open bowl with the flared rims as opposed to the taller later design patterns, because this was made from the 1940s right the way through to the 1960s. But as we've pointed out, these are on the early china marks, so to find them in such excellent condition is a real find. We've got these on sale on the Vintage and Antiques website as trios, and if you'd like to find out more, follow the link below and it will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where the trios are currently available to purchase. Thanks for watching.